Ever found yourself with a charging cable that looks like this? Exposed wires are not just unsightly. They pose a real safety hazard and can lead to device damage. But don't toss it just yet. Today, we're going to show you a simple, effective DIY fix using heat shrink tubing. Let's get started. First, you'll need a few essential tools. Our star player is the heat shrink tubing. Ensure it's the correct diameter to fit snugly over your cable. We'll also need a sharp pair of scissors. And, of course, a heat gun. Safety first. Always use caution with heat tools. Now, let's prepare our heat shrink tubing. Measure the damaged section of your cable. You want the tubing to extend a bit beyond the damage on both sides for a secure fit. Carefully cut the heat shrink tubing to the appropriate length using your scissors. Once cut, it's time to slide the tubing onto the cable. This step requires a gentle touch. Guide it slowly over the damaged section, ensuring it covers all exposed wires. Make sure it extends slightly past the damage on both sides for maximum reinforcement. Now for the magic. Grab your heat gun and turn it on to a low to medium setting. Begin to gently apply heat to the tubing, moving the gun back and forth evenly. Watch as the tubing starts to contract, hugging the cable tightly. It's a satisfying transformation. Continue applying heat until the tubing is completely shrunk and smooth, with no loose areas. Pay special attention to the ends, ensuring they are sealed securely around the cable. The goal is a firm, uniform seal that protects the internal wires from further damage. Once cooled, inspect your work. The repaired section should be smooth and tight. Gently flex the cable to ensure it maintains its flexibility and integrity. And there you have it. Your USB-C charging cable is now safely repaired and ready for use. This simple DIY fix not only saves you money, but also extends the life of your electronics. No more exposed wires, no more safety concerns. Just a reliable, reinforced cable. Give this repair a try next time your cable shows signs of wear. It's easier than you think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and DIY projects.